Hey there, millionaires! Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, where we dive deep into the world of opulence and grandeur. Today, we are uncovering the top 10 things that scream new money. From ostentatious displays of wealth to lavish spending sprees, if you want to avoid these common pitfalls or just have a laugh at some of these extravagances, stick around. Whether you're already living the life of luxury or just dreaming about it, this is the place for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest in luxury lifestyle. Number 1. Over-the-top luxury cars. Nothing says, "Look at me, I've made it," like pulling up in a flashy car with a license plate that screams, "I'm rich." When it comes to new money, the love for ostentatious luxury cars is undeniable. It's not just about owning a luxury vehicle, it's about owning the right luxury vehicle. You'll often see people investing in exotic cars like Lamborghinis or Ferraris, complete with custom colors and accessories. A prime example is the swanky streets of South Mumbai, where you might spot a lime green Lamborghini cruising down Marine Drive. While these cars are a status symbol, they often attract more attention for being flashy than classy. And let's be honest, millionaires, driving a neon-colored sports car in city traffic isn't exactly practical, is it? Number 2. Branded everything, everywhere. From head to toe, the logos are loud and proud because nothing screams new money like wearing your wealth. People with new money often feel the need to showcase their success through branded items, whether it's clothing, accessories, or even home decor. Think Gucci belts, Louis Vuitton bags, and Versace sunglasses, all worn at once. In India, you might notice this trend in places like the posh neighborhoods of Delhi, where the socialites flaunt their Hermes scarves and Rolex watches. While brands are great, piling them all on at once can come off as trying too hard to impress. It's the subtle details that truly embody luxury, not the brand overload. Number 3. Lavish weddings and parties. Why have a small celebration when you can throw $1 million bash that everyone talks about for years? New money loves to make a splash with extravagant weddings and parties. In India, this often means destination weddings in Udaipur or Goa, with multiple events spread over days. The ceremonies are dripping with extravagance, think custom decor, gourmet food, and celebrity performances. But sometimes, these events are more about showcasing wealth than celebrating love or relationships. Remember the viral Ambani wedding? While it's a fantastic experience, the pressure to outdo each celebration can become more of a display competition than a heartfelt affair. Number 4. Flashy real estate. Because why settle for a modest home when you can live in a palace complete with gold-plated faucets? Another hallmark of new money is investing in flashy real estate. It's not just about having a home, it's about owning a mansion that stands out in every possible way. In cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad, you'll find sprawling villas with extravagant interiors, from imported marble floors to crystal chandeliers. While these homes are impressive, they sometimes lack the subtle sophistication that old money estates have. It's about striking a balance between opulence and taste. Number 5. Expensive gadgets and tech. Because it's not enough to have the latest phone, you need the diamond-encrusted, limited edition version. In the world of new money, owning the latest and greatest gadgets is a must. This can mean anything from the newest iPhone to a custom-built gaming PC with gold-plated components. In India, it's not uncommon to see tech enthusiasts flaunting their top-of-the-line gadgets at places like high-end coffee shops in Gurgaon. While technology is impressive, the focus often shifts from the utility of these gadgets to their price tags and exclusivity, making them more a symbol of wealth than of functionality. Number 6. High-end dining and gourmet food. Fine dining isn't just about the food, it's about the experience and, of course, the Instagram post. New money often gravitates towards high-end dining experiences. This means frequenting Michelin-starred restaurants or hiring celebrity chefs for private dinners. In cities like Mumbai, Exclusive clubs and fine dining establishments like the Taj Mahal Palace are popular spots for the wealthy to showcase their refined taste. But often, the emphasis is more on the prestige of the venue and the expense of the meal rather than the culinary experience itself. It's all about being seen in the right places, enjoying the right foods, and, naturally, sharing it all on social media. Number 7. Gaudy jewelry and accessories. Diamonds are a girl's best friend and new money's way of shouting, "I've arrived!" from the rooftops. One of the most visible indicators of new money is an affinity for flashy jewelry and accessories. Oversized diamond rings, gold chains, and watches encrusted with precious stones are all part of the look. In India, you might see this trend at high-profile events or on Bollywood celebrities who set the fashion standards. While jewelry can be a beautiful expression of wealth, too much bling can sometimes come off as more showy than sophisticated. It's about finding the right balance between dazzle and elegance. Number 8. Private jets and exotic vacations. Why fly commercial when you can own the skies with your own jet and a passport full of exotic stamps? New money loves to travel in style, often opting for private jets and luxury vacations. This might mean chartering a private jet for a weekend trip to the Maldives or owning a vacation home in the Swiss Alps. In India, high net worth individuals might choose to vacation in exclusive destinations like the Andaman Islands or Mauritius. While these experiences are undoubtedly luxurious, they often serve as a platform to broadcast one's wealth and lifestyle to the world, rather than just a way to relax and enjoy. Number 9. Over-the-top home decor. Because when it comes to decorating your home, subtlety is so overrated. New money often manifests in homes through extravagant decor choices. Think walls adorned with expensive art, furniture imported from Italy, and every room showcasing a different theme. In India, you'll find such decor in the upscale apartments of South Delhi or the lavish bungalows of Juhu. While it's great to have a tastefully decorated home, sometimes the emphasis on opulence can make spaces feel more like showrooms than comfortable living areas. It's the difference between creating a home that's truly inviting and one that's simply impressive. Number 10. Flashy social media presence. Living the high life means sharing it all with your followers, because what's the point of luxury if no one sees it? In today's digital age, new money often translates into a flashy social media presence. This means regularly posting pictures of luxury cars, exotic vacations, and gourmet meals. Instagram, in particular, has become a platform for showing off wealth. In India, you'll see influencers and celebrities sharing their luxurious lifestyles, whether it's a new Birkin bag or a stay at a 5-star resort. While social media is a great way to share your life, sometimes it can turn into a highlight reel of extravagance, where the focus is more on impressing others than enjoying the moment. Bonus point number 11. Personalized everything. Why settle for ordinary when you can have everything uniquely yours, from monogram towels to custom-built yachts? People with new money often indulge in personalized luxury items, from custom-made suits to bespoke furniture. In India, this trend is seen in personalized jewelry or custom-built luxury cars tailored to the owner's exact specifications. It's all about having something that no one else has, which often means going to great lengths to ensure uniqueness. While personalization can add a touch of individuality, it sometimes borders on the absurd, with items that are more about showcasing one's ability to afford the best rather than a genuine appreciation for uniqueness. So, millionaires, there you have it, the top 10 things that scream new money. From flashy cars and branded clothes to over-the-top weddings and a gaudy social media presence, these markers are all about making a statement. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of your labor, the key is to do so with a touch of sophistication and grace. Luxury is best when it's a quiet confidence rather than a loud announcement. Now, tell us in the comments, which of these points do you find most entertaining or relatable? And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of luxury. Thank you for joining us on this glamorous journey through the markers of new money.